If your brakes are noisy, dusty, or simply not up to the task, we offer a comprehensive lineup of brake pads that will improve your braking experience. For daily driving, we offer a full range of upgrade pads from top OEM suppliers like Akebono, Bosch, and Brembo. Most of these feature less dusting, lower noise, and longer pad life compared to your existing OE pads. More spirited drivers will appreciate our enhanced performance street pad options. We carry a full line of performance ceramic, ferrocarbon, and para-aramid metallic pads from Hawk and StopTech. These offer significant improvements over standard street and OE pads for stopping torque, feel, and fade resistance. We also have pads specifically designed for hard-working trucks. Hawk offers pads designed to withstand the momentum-laden, repetitive braking experienced when hauling higher loads. What if you autocross or track your vehicle? We have pad options for motorsports activities as well. Check out all these options and more at TireRack.com.